Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create vertical dividers in Notion using this little trick. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the funny thing about this is it's not an official divider, I should say, as like a tool for Notion. It's more like a makeshift divider that we use for when we add the quotes to our project or our dashboard. So I'll show you guys what I mean. I'm going to be adding um, a different set of texts here, so we can do something like a checklist. So a we can do like a shopping cart for groceries. So let's do eggs, milk, salt. Okay, so that's one. Now the idea is we'd want to click on the plus icon to add a couple of elements to our project. So from here, you guys would want to select quote, just like that. And here's our actual divider. Now, if you want to extend this to a bigger divider, let's say that we have a list in long form, then you guys would want to hold shift and hit enter. As you can see, um, I'm able to extend the length of this divider right here. And the idea is if you want to separate a couple of um, elements or items on your board, the idea is actually let me add something here real quick. Let's do flour. It's basic ingredients. What you need to do is hover over the aforementioned text and drag them on this side of the divider. Actually, hold on. I should do that the other way. So if I were to do milk and eggs, just like that, then we're going to add this here. And here's our divider. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully it helped you out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. Yeah, so thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.